In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make some cleaning products that use things you may already have in your house. I'm going to show you how I make laundry detergent, dishwasher tabs, and toilet bowl cleaner. Squirts out nicely. So the first product we're making is the laundry detergent. I've tried so many different laundry detergents. So we used to use a natural liquid laundry detergent, which came in the big jug. I'm sure you're all familiar with it. Worked fine, but didn't love that it came in a big plastic jug. So then I investigated the laundry sheets. Love them. I felt like they had the same level of clean. Then I found out they contain plastic, and then those microplastics go into our waterway, and then we drink them. Great. So stopped using those, then started looking for, well, who still makes powdered laundry detergent? Is that even a thing anymore? I did some investigation. We got some samples from a company. It worked fine, but when I would go to look at the prices online, it was quite costly. So that's when I went to my friend Google and said, how do I make my own laundry detergent? And it turns out it's totally simple. Takes maybe 5 minutes-ish to make. I'll show you. This much, which lasts us quite a while. I use 1 to 2 tablespoons per load, depending on size of load, amount of cleaning power necessary. So I actually got that recipe from bootsandhooveshomestead.com, and it's been working great. It works. Now, if you're someone who is still using chemical laundry detergents or higher, I don't even know what they would be called, not natural laundry detergents, you will notice a difference when you switch to natural laundry detergent. It's just not as powerful. I've been using it so long that now I don't even notice if there's like a stain or something on clothing or just extra soil. I'll probably rub my stain remover bar over it before I pop it in the washing machine. Other than that, I've been really happy with natural laundry detergents. Blah, blah, blah. And this homemade one meets the same standard that anything I've tried purchasing. And it costs pennies, I think. It really doesn't have much in it. It has baking soda in it, salt, Epsom salts, washing soda, and if you want, add some essential oils. I love citrus scents, so I use lemon. Lemon also has antibacterial properties, so I feel like it's a great little addition to the laundry soap. Doesn't make your clothes smell like lemon though. Sadly, that would have been cool. Fun fact, if you don't have washing soda or you can't find it in a store near you, you can make your own. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, spread a thin layer of baking soda on a baking sheet, and bake it in the oven for about an hour, stirring occasionally, and it will turn into washing soda. Next up is toilet bowl cleaner. This is also an experiment. Never made this before. I think it's gonna be great. Toilet bowl cleaner can be something that's super chemically, and I've been using a natural one in our house for a long time, but I feel like I can make something that's equally as good, save money, and save on plastic bottles. So I actually had a toilet bowl cleaner that had just run out. So I washed out the bottle, and I'm gonna use that to create my own in. So I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients together in a bowl first, then add the wet, and then use a funnel to pour it into my bottle. So to make the toilet bowl cleaner, I mixed the dry ingredients, which was citric acid and baking soda, together in a bowl. And then I added in 2 tablespoons of Castile soap, liquid soap, and stirred it up. And it was a really nice texture. Kind of like when kids make homemade floofy slime or something. I don't know, it felt kind of like that. I went to put it into the bottle using a funnel and realized it was way too thick. So I just kind of crammed it in there. I used a chopstick and pushed it down. Then I added warm water to the bottle And as you see in the video, it looks like a child's science experiment. Ah! This is not gonna work. It's all coming out of the bottle. Oh gosh. Wash my hands. Look at this. All the water's coming out. With lots of fizzing, and I feel like I lost most of it to that. So I think next time I'd either add the water very slowly or maybe mix it all in a bowl so it can kind of settle and then put it in the bottle. So a couple options. Tried it in the toilet. It kind of just seems to dissolve in the water. It's hard to tell. But if it's a great option for keeping our toilet bowls clean without buying more products for our house when we can make them ourselves, then it's still a win, I think, but needs a little tweaking. Feel free to tweak it and let me know. Or if you have a recipe that you use for household cleaners, I would love to try them out on our channel. So the next thing I'm going to make are dishwasher tabs, and I've never made them before. So this is an experiment. So the first thing you do is you mix together in a bowl, in a large bowl, the dry ingredients, which is citric acid, baking soda, washing soda, and coarse salt. Mix that together, then you add in your white vinegar and essential oil if you're using it. I used orange because why not? So then you put it into the mold, and I realized that when I stirred up the dry ingredients with the vinegar, at first it was like really moist, and all of a sudden it started to harden and dry, and I was panicking to put it in the mold. And you have to really compact it down with your hands. So we'll see how that turns out. Hopefully they actually stick together. That's step one. Step two is, do they clean the dishes? So it's a bit of a challenge for these dishwasher tabs to see if they actually work in both. Were they successful to become solid bricks of a dishwasher tab, and are they successful in cleaning the dishes to an acceptable level? So we shall see. I find that when I've bought dishwasher tabs in the past, often they're wrapped in plastic, even if it says, oh, it disintegrates, but it's still plastic that's going into our water system, just like the laundry strips. So not great. So I've tried powdered dish detergent for the dishwasher, which has been great. But I wanted to see if we can make our own, because tabs are so easy. Just pop them in. So let's see what happens. Let's see if the dishwasher tab was effective. Here we go. This dishwasher's a little busted. Okay. All dissolved. The dishwasher looks clean. It's still steamy. Wow. Things look pretty good. Let's check inside a bowl. Oh yeah, that one's good. The glass containers look clean. This is looking promising. How about some forks here? Forks look clean. Glassware. Wow, shiny. I'm impressed, I have to say. I am impressed. It looks amazing. It worked. It worked! Yay! So I think that I will tweak that recipe maybe so that they're like a little more firm. I gotta figure that out. If you have any suggestions or tips, I'd love to hear them. Pop them in the comments below. See you next time.